So I'll try and figure out who is registered at a distance, and so we will not go through that again. Sorry. Take a look at the syllabus, please. So my name is Professor Hazelcorn. In real life, I teach at Bentley College. So my email is mhazelcorn@bentley.edu. The telephone number there, 7818-912521, is my office at Bentley, and the fax number is also at Bentley. The syllabus is relatively straightforward. Date, description is the chapter title. Read column, you should do that before coming to class, please, so you're already behind one chapter, unless you've done it, actually. How many of you have read chapter 1? Oh, my apologies, I don't mean to malign you. Okay, good. And do the homework, please, before coming to class. Thank you. I am fully aware that sometimes your job will interfere with that. Do the best you can. The more you can do before coming to class, the more you'll learn. It's that simple. Okay? When I go through things in class, and I try to go over much of the homework, though I probably don't get to all of it, things are very logical, things are very clear, things are very simple, until you go home. And then they're less clear and less simple, and it's not quite so easy. So you have to worry about this stuff at home. We meet for just 2 hours, and you will get more out of the class discussion if you can prepare at home. There are 2 exams, each one equally weighted. They are simply 2 midterms. The material at the end of in the second half of the course is distinctly harder than the material at the beginning. The beginning is hard enough because this is a new language with new terminology. But they are not, the second exam is not cumulative. The book looks like this. It is reasonable. If you look at the end of any chapter, if you have the book, look with me, and if not, just visualize it. But let's say page 289. 289. It's not worth making a big deal out of looking on with someone at this point. Maybe later we will, but. So at the end of every chapter, there's a review. This looks like lessons learned or something. And then on page 290, we have vocabulary. So, of course, you should check that out. In parentheses, they have the page where that terminology is first introduced. And then there are a bunch of questions. I never assign questions. I assume that you will do them all. They're straightforward review. You should be able to answer all of them. Then we have checkpoints, CP. I think it's very rare that I assign any of those. Not sure. But I don't think I do that often. So those are also pretty straightforward, simple stuff. So you might want to eyeball that. And then we have exercises. So that's what you have assigned for homework. Exercises, and then sometimes problems. Challenge exercises on the bottom of page 297. And then we have problems. Problems come in 2 flavors, Group A and Group B. I never assign Group B. They're all Group A, I believe. So just keep that in mind.